Looking for a dependable black ink cartridge that keeps your HP DeskJet or Envy printer running smoothly? The Flyfare 67XL black ink cartridge offers a high-yield solution designed to deliver crisp, clear prints without frequent replacements. Whether you're printing documents, reports, or photos, this cartridge ensures consistent quality every time. I've tested the Flyfare 67XL in several HP models, including the DeskJet 2700 series and Envy 6000 series, and the results were impressive. The cartridge fits perfectly and produces sharp black text with no smudging. It's water-based ink, which means it dries quickly and resists fading. Plus, with a page yield of up to 1,400 pages, you won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. This pack comes with 2 cartridges, so you get double the printing power right out of the box. It's compatible with a wide range of HP printers, covering DeskJet, Envy, and Envy Pro Series models. The included user guide makes installation straightforward, even if you're replacing ink for the first time. What really stands out is the cartridge's high page yield, up to 700 pages per cartridge at standard 5% coverage. That means fewer interruptions and more productivity, whether you're working from home or managing office tasks. Reliable ink flow also prevents streaks and blotches, saving you time and frustration. If you're tired of constantly swapping cartridges or dealing with poor print quality, the Flyfare 67XL is worth a look. It's an affordable way to maintain professional-grade printing without compromising on performance. The black ink's deep saturation enhances text readability and image contrast, making your prints look sharp and polished. Beyond quality, this cartridge supports a broad lineup of HP printers, including popular models like DeskJet 4100, 6400, and Envy 6055. That versatility means you can stock up without worrying about compatibility issues. Plus, the water-based formula is environmentally friendlier compared to some alternatives. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The Flyfare 67XL black ink cartridge offers what you need: consistent results, long-lasting ink, and hassle-free installation. Whether for home, school, or office use, it keeps your printer performing at its best without breaking the bank. Try the Flyfare 67XL when you're ready to enjoy sharp prints and fewer replacements. With 2 cartridges in each pack and broad compatibility, it's a smart choice for anyone who relies on their HP printer every day.